The makeup light is having a huge Black Friday sale. If you are going to be working as a makeup artist in any capacity, your kit is not complete and you are not ready to work unless you have some lighting in place. The makeup light for me is, I think, one of the best options if you're going to be working as a makeup artist. It's the lighting system that I use. I'm going to go through the site and pick out some of what I think are the best deals. I'm going to start with the Key Light Master Kit. This is a huge savings. This happens to be the kit that I use and that I've used for the last few years. Also, this is going to be the highest ticket item that I'll show you. If you can afford this one, this kit is everything you need for your lighting. When I like to work, I personally prefer to use 2 lighting panels when I can. When I'm working and I have lights behind me on either side, it gives me nice even light distribution over my model's face. So when I'm moving, when I'm on set, I'm not blocking my own light. I can see everything very clearly so I can work really quickly. And then when I'm recording content, the even lighting just makes my makeup look really beautiful. These are daylight balance lighting, so it's ideal for capturing content for makeup and for hair. And if you're doing stills or video, these lights are amazing for that. Now, also, the way I like to work, I prefer to have my lights on stands. The other mounting options that I use most often are the magic mount, which is just up in the middle there, and I use the suction mount. Now, the magic mount and suction mounts I use when I'm doing more personal clients, bridal events, and I'm in smaller spaces. But usually I always go for the stand first. I know some people don't like stands, but for me, I find I have to move around a lot when I am working. Sometimes lighting is changing behind me, and I really need to have control of where my light is going to be. So I just prefer the stands, but this Key Light Master Kit, absolutely everything you need. If you're working with a smaller budget, the Jet Light Starter Kit with the stand is a great option. And if you just can get one panel, this is the panel to get. The Jet Light is bigger than the Key Light that I showed you from the last kit. You can light up an entire room with this lighting panel. Trust me on that one. It does come with the stand, so you get good flexibility, and it comes with the arm. So when you have this universal arm mounted on your stand with your lighting panel, you can move it up and down and you can adjust it so you can get more customization with how your lighting is positioned. With this light as well, it is one panel, but because it's so large, it's very easy to use to record content. You can place this above your camera or your phone. You can place it just slightly to the side, depending on which side you're working on, but more than enough light in this single panel. And again, my preference is the stand, but if you go onto the Makeup Light site, there are lots of options. Everything's on sale. If you just wanted the light with maybe the suction mount, you could do that. So check that out, but this is a great recommendation if you just want to invest in one lighting panel. Lowest ticket item I'm going to be showing you is the Key Light Starter Kit with the stand. This is the same size panel from the first kit that I showed you, smaller. More than enough to work. It's more than enough lighting to work, capture content. When I'm working in smaller spaces, because I have the master kit, I sometimes just use one panel, and I find I can easily work with this single panel of lighting. So if you're on a smaller budget, this is a great option. You still get the stand, you get the gooseneck, so you can have some flexibility with the direction that your light is pointing, but this is another great option. My picks, just based on how I like to work, the jobs that I like to do, and how I like to record my content, you will not go wrong with anything you purchase from the Makeup Light. What I would say is spend some time on the site, take a look at what they have, take a look at the different mounting options. Everything is on sale, so this is a really great time to buy. And if you have any questions for me about these, just leave them in the comments.